All right, we here at the Swinton household and everything. I thought he was cooking it up, but clearly he ain't cooking up nothing.
I'm trying to.
Here we got, you guys already know Swinton Jr. But besides that, I gotta introduce you guys to somebody real special.
That's right.
The OG. The OG, low key OG.
Loaded with the cigars for your ass.
Pops,
Huh?
tell them what time it is.
It's time.
Tell the people what your grass looking like these days.
My grass is off the chain.
Ooh, off the
He's just
chain.
telling me what he's using the trimmer.
Oh yeah, Pops. Everybody, this Dwayne's dad, Dwayne Senior, and also you want to talk about some good old St. Augustine grass. Tell them what you had to go through over the years.
Dollar weeds.
Dollar weeds. I've been in that fight.
But where you at right now?
You want me in your foxhole with you?
Woo! That's it. All right. So now that I kind of section out the area that I want to do, now it's really time just to get it kind of as flat as I can. fill up the area here with dirt just to level it up. Try to pull up these weeds and everything, and then that would get it nice and flat, so we can get the garbage bags. Let's do it. I'm gonna pull up. I'm hand pulling. So I am hand pulling up a lot of the weeds. I'm not gonna worry about all the little ones because I could just spray them. But most of them, I want to get by hand. All this dirt, all this stuff. Get it here, just get your hands in.
Put your hands up!
Marissa,
This is a stick up!
I'm recording this.
Get him! Spanking! Spanking! Spank his booty!
That hurt.
You're under arrest.
I'm being robbed on my own show. I'm being
Give us all
robbed.
the rocks you got.
I ain't got no money.
We're here for the rocks and only the
I
rocks.
ain't got no cash. Look at my hands.
Give us the damn rocks. Right now.
I ain't
You
got
tell him. Tell him what we want. We want the rocks.
I ain't got nothing, man.
Ma'am, you're being exposed.
I ain't
You
got
gotta
nothing.
cover your face.
I ain't got nothing.
Cover your face so he can't identify you.
All right, she's running
Give
away.
us the rocks.
I ain't got rocks.
All we
got-
want are the rocks.
I ain't got no crack. How much rocks I got? Robbed. Guys, before I go back to my yard over here, I gotta take a quick pause for the cause. I had to show you guys what my boys over there at the Lawn Tours got me. Look at that. Official LTC, long time coming hat. That's like grass. Get close up in that hat. Yeah, that's grass right there. What is that? What's that? Bermuda? Bermuda. Yep, pretty sure. It's not Bahia, not St. Aug. Let's get back to it. Alright, so now that I got it pretty much smoothed out, I'm gonna take the topsoil, I'm gonna lay it on top, and I'm gonna smooth it out more. I wanna get it as smooth and as even as possible. That's what I want to do. Cut this grass here. Bada bang.
Hey, Brian, how you doing?
Hey, alright, how you guys doing?
Real good.
So then now I can kind of flow it back a little bit when I get ready. I'm not going all the way back to dirt, but I'm gonna just go about right here just to kind of even the rest of this dirt out. And then the rest I can just use to mulch as the barrier. Alright, so now that I got this area nice and kind of leveled up a little bit as best as I could, no professional. Now I'm gonna get my bags and lay my bags down. So you can hear me when Eric over there cutting his grass. We got the all-electric Ryobi. It's starting to look good. The grass starting to look good. Let's get you a peek. Look at that. Starting to look real good. Let's see. Let's take a pause for the calls. But let's see if we can get them on camera real quick to maybe talk about this.
What up, man?
E, what's happening?
How are you?
You afraid to be on camera?
No.
You got warrants?
No.
Yeah. I'm just telling the people about, doing my YouTube video thing here.
Sweet.
I took a pause for the calls because I had to come over here and let the people see what you're working with, where your grass was at. Look at it now.
Isn't it crazy?
Look at this.
It's night and day, man.
Look at that.
Night and day. It's how thick it's gotten. I'm so pleased.
Well, I mean, it's super thick now.
I know. This can't even really handle it. I'm thinking about getting bigger wheels for it just so I can raise it up some because it's at the highest level,
Oh yeah?
But I'll figure it out.
Look at this. Now this is the which model was this one?
This is the Ryobi.
Because I know they got a couple different models. The 13 amp.
Yeah, and with the 16-inch because they make an 18-inch and a 24.
That's right. That's right.
This is. I think they make a 13-inch as well. So this is the medium, like the medium one.
The medium one.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But dude, I get it because it's low maintenance.
Yeah.
All you gotta do is plug it in and go.
And
So
then that's
the
it.
wire's a bit of a hassle, but it's not too bad.
So what are you gonna do now that the grass is starting to grow, and now that the edge is starting to look real extra crispy over there,
I know.
and it's getting higher? What are you gonna do now? Because you might have to upgrade.
I know. I think I probably will.
This is what happened when it started folding in.
Yeah.
You might have to upgrade because the Ryobi might not be able to handle it.
I know. Well, it's either like I said, either that or I'll have to make changes to the unit itself.
All right, so I think I went a little big on the garbage bags here, but that's okay because I mean I'll just use less of them. So what you want to do is you get your garbage bag like so, and you can do it two ways. If you want to double a layer up, you just leave it like this and lay it down. If you want to cover more feet, then you cut it. You take the seam. You take the seam right here, all the way down the line, right here, and then you cut it straight down. That way, it'll open up if you have more bigger spots to cover, areas to cover. For this job, I think I'm gonna just have it double layered like this. I'm gonna leave it because it's not that big of an area. I'm just doing like right here and on up. And, like I said, I'll figure out the back later. So what we want to do is All right, I'm losing light, you see, but you guys can see it's forming. That's what I want. I probably need about 1 more bag, maybe 2 more bags. So I see a couple spots. I want to come here to the end just to get it in there, but that'll do it. This is definitely going to be a 2-part, maybe even 3-part video to do the whole side of my yard, my house. But in the meantime, we're going to end it here. Side yard renovation. This is a mess. I'll get part 2 going, part 3, part 4, part what is this, like a Lil Wayne album? The Carter 1, the Carter 2, the Carter 3. Man, fireman. But until next time, remember what Stuff said. Drink them if you got them. See you guys soon. Peace.